Okay, so my younger siblings got me playing Pokemon Go, which has you getting out and going on walks. Don't judge me. Desk warriors like myself need every excuse we can get to get outside and get some exercise. And this is working for me. So I'm out there going on one of my walks, and one of my walks leads me out to one of these give and take free book library things. And so I'm like, oh wow, that's pretty cool. So I open it up, and as I open it up, I kind of take a look at some of the kids' books. I'm like, oh wow, Sideways Story from the Wayside School. I love that book. And so I thought, hey, I'll take this over to my kids and let them read it. And the cool thing that you can do with this kind of library that you can't do with all your other libraries, or shouldn't do with all your other libraries, is when you've read the book, you can go ahead and write on the back cover what you thought of the book. You can leave your own review. That's kind of a strategy I have for trying to get my kids to do more writing, because I really like getting them to express themselves in writing. And as I do that, I take this book home and let my kids read it, bring it back. And as I bring it back, the next time I come along, I find this book, Earth Science. It practically has my name on it. So I'm going to go ahead and do my own little review with this book. But I want to hear from all of you first. It'll be more fun if we can do this together. So today I'm going to show you the first little bit. I'm going to gather your comments, and then I'll formulate that into a review and publish that video later. Section 1. Earth in Space! I love how the author has given us quite a bit of writing room here. This should be fun. All the things we can say. Experiment 1. Bulging Ball. Purpose: to determine why the Earth bulges at the equator. It then gives you instructions on how to take two pieces of paper and overlap them on top of a pencil, forming a kind of ball. Results: while the sphere is spinning, the top and bottom of the strips flatten slightly, and the center bulges. Why? The spinning sphere has a force that tends to move the paper strips outward, causing the top and bottom to flatten. The Earth, like all rotating spheres, bulges at the center and has some flattening at the poles. The difference between the distance around the Earth at the equator and the distance around the Earth at the poles is 44 miles. Alright, tell me your thoughts and let's have some fun with this.